Hello everyone, it's May 29th. As I'm doing this, I'm publishing the app. So after taking a break, like pausing for 2-3 weeks, finally was able to get back to it and fix some of the issues. So the issues we have was different Android devices have different ways to position items. And just put it that way. If you use top, right, you in React Native, you can define position of component manually. You can say top, right? You give a value, and then I think what it means is top. Hold on. We have some. Hold on. We have some issues. Let me see. Invalid dimensions. What? Wait, hold on. What happened? Supply. Huh. That is interesting. We failed. Oh my god. I've never had this one before, so I don't even know what type of error it is. Let's see if I can do a quick search. It was running fine, but the hell is this? I don't know. I mean, it's the supply issue. What the hell? Hold on, is that the dimension of... Wait, hold on, is that the dimension of the... Gotta be kidding me. Dimension of the screenshot? Is that what it is? Oh, I think it's the dimension of the... Hold on, maybe it's the dimension... Hold on. We are having some issues. Expected width 1024, expected height 500. Okay, am I not providing that? Oh, you gotta be kidding me. You gotta be kidding me. I am 1025. Gosh. This is, yeah, no, it's not my screenshot. It's the feature graphic. I need to reframe this. This is just stupid. This is just simply stupid. Let's see if we can resize it. Gotta be kidding me. Okay. Do I have a... Okay, so now I'm gonna try it again. But since I already done the release build, I don't need the release build. So all I need to do is to upload. Alright, so we're just gonna comment out this and then run it one more time. Alright, it's running one more time. So we already built it, so I don't have to rebuild it. All I need to do is but I clean it still. Oh my god. I comment on the wrong thing. Alright, that's fine. That's fine. We're gonna rebuild it. It's okay. It's okay, but we changed the thing. See, just when you haven't done release for a while, that's why you need to release every single time. But we haven't set that up. I haven't set it up. Basically, just lazy. We basically build the app for a couple of months and then we do one release. We don't do those nightly release. Which, you know, maybe we should. Alright. Anyway, so let's get back to business. So today, the problem is divide two integers. It's widely hated. Given two integers, divide them without using multiplication, division, and mod. The integer division should truncate towards 0, which means losing its fractional part. Return a quotient after dividing. Assume we're dealing with an environment that could only store integers within 32-bit. If the quotient is strictly greater, wait, what? If the quotient is strictly greater than this, then return this. So what does the question trying to ask us? Without multiplication. Oh, just minus. Oh, I think I know what it's trying to do. It's like how many times we can take it away, right? So, and we're supposed to do it fast. Oh, I remember this type of problem. And so like after each time we need to double it, right? Each time we double it. But I'm not sure if I remember the sequence of doing this. Okay, let's see. So what we want to do is we're given a value and we're going to minus a certain value and then we're going to double it. Okay, after we double it, right after we double it, we minus again. And if it's, what if it's too big? Oh, I don't remember. I don't remember. Yeah, what if it's too big? -1 copy of it, and then I double it, and the next one I -2 copies of it. It's times 2, right? And the next one times 2. So every time we times 2. You know, if you show me the code, I understand. I know exactly what this wants to do. But to figure it out from scratch, minus, then I double. Oh, one upload is successful. That's good. That's pretty good. And let's do the other release. All right, let's try this one. This one I'm not confident, but we're gonna try no matter what. And usually this one takes long. iOS takes at least 40-50 minutes. I hope everything still works. All right, anyway, let's think. Come on, you can get this one. 10, right, divided by 3, I just -3, I'll get 7. And one of minus, the next one -6, and 1. And 1 is smaller than 3. And it's smaller than 6. Like, how do I handle this? How do we do, like, power? It's similar to power. We go back down? Is that what it is? We go back down? We build up, and then go back down. Honestly, I don't remember. I can write something approximated, but it's not gonna be the solution. But I can try. I'm pretty sure people don't like this type of question. But it's a good practice. I just don't remember how it is done. Okay, so we have a limit, right? I'll deal with this later. So we have a dividend and a divisor. And we can say d equals the divisor. And then with dividends are going to go down and say while dividend is larger or equal to the divisor, right? That means we have more we can take away. And then we say if dividend is larger or equal to d, then dividend minus equal to d and we need a res, right? Res equals 0, and we need a count equals 0. Wow, count actually equals 1. So this res plus equal 1. Okay. Now rest is always plus equal to C. Hold on, so this minus D and then D double, okay? So rest plus equal to C, always. Let me think. If it's larger than D, C, and then C times equal to 2, C double, and then D times equal to 2, else dividend, else we say D equal back to divisor, and dividend minus equal to D, and then C go back to 1, and then rest plus equal to C, and D plus equal to times equal to 2, C times equal to 2. And I see with a lot of repeats. So these three are the same, right? So these three are the same. I can group these together. The difference is so the rest has to update before. So if this, and then we do this. If it's this, then D shall equal to divisor. So that's the difference, right? So we say if, hold on, if dividend is smaller than D, then D shall equal to divisor, right? And then we say don't need this. Dividend minus equal to D. Dividend minus equal to D, and then more things to do. So this D go back, C need to go back, and then all of these are gone. Right. So if dividend is smaller than D, so D grow too big, so D go back to divisor, C go back to 1, and dividend minus equal D, and the rest plus equal to C, and I go this. So blah blah blah. Once we're done, we will have a result, right? And then we have these concerns. Say if result is larger than 2 to the 31st minus 1, which I think we can say 1 left shift 32 minus 1. Back, and then rest equal to 1 left shift 32 minus 1. If rest is smaller than, let's say, minus 1 left shift 32. Right, that's what it's strictly less than. Then rest equals to minus 1, minus 1 left shift 32. And then we're going to return rest. I'm not sure, but this one I can do very simple test. Or just a random number, but kind of lazy. So the first one is 10, 3, 3, of course. 7 minus 3 minus 2. Ooh. That's the problem. I see the problem immediately. Yeah, it's not gonna work on negative values, which is fine, because if it works on positive values, negative value is just a change in the sign. That's all we need to worry about. Oh, that's not right. That's not right. Didn't change. I changed the dividend. Hold on. Yep, so it's the sign. Okay, so what we need to do is we say is negative shall equal to what? This one larger than 0, right? And divisor larger than 0. So both larger than 0. If both are true, then it's true. If both are false, that's also true. It's only, so it's going to be exclusive OR. Right? Think about it. Allow, hold on, I've got 2, 7, 0. I just realized I showed a secret. Ah. Yeah, I guess it's fine. Yes. Okay, so what are we saying? What we're saying is what we're gonna do is this one exclusive OR. Wait, hold on, what are you doing? Yep. Is negative, and then I'm gonna say dividend divisor equals ABS dividend ABS divisor. Okay, and then before we go res, I'm gonna say res equals negative res if is neg, else res. Oh no, hold on. Oh, what the hell are you doing? Oh, we uploaded. That's good. Oh my god. How? Oh, hold on. I know. This one is not here. Come on, man. This one has to be here. Alright. There's quite a lot of test cases, I'm pretty sure. So I'm gonna throw something like giant value. My word. Oh, we have some issues. I don't even know what to say, man. This is just frustrating. Yeah, I'm just gonna do this and this will be smaller, so it'll be 5. Hey, really? What? Oh, 31st. My bad. Change the code. It's 31st. Try this. It's alright. It's not the best. I know. But I forgot how it's supposed to be done. So. Overflow. Yes. No, I don't think this is the one I was looking for. This is like even smarter idea. I want a regular smart idea, not an extremely smart idea. I guess this is the one. Oh, okay. I can use bit manipulation to do it. Do the overflow. Okay. Look kind of similar. Right? We use this. We get this. We get this. Wow, this is this. While. You see that? You see that? Yeah, so this is actually right. It is. Like, we keep doubling until we hit a time where we cannot double, then we go back. So this is fine. This and this, we can put it inside, right? Well, dividend larger than divisor. And we say d equals divisor inside. So we can remove this line. And then instead of, we're going to do another while. A while say dividend is smaller, not larger, or equal to d, right? If it's larger or equal to d, then we just say dividend minus equal to d, res plus equal to c, and then d left the and the c left the shift 1, right? So they just, if I can go, just keep going until we hit a time dividend cannot take d away. And when that happens, we revert c to 1, and then d becomes 1 as well. So this will become exactly the same solution. And then we handle the, yeah. Okay. Let's see, is this one easier to deal with? And this is also another one. Only be one time, one chance it could be overflow. Okay. One chance to overflow. That's actually pretty smart. So we say if dividend is equal to, minus 131, right? And divisor equal to minus 1. That's the only chance. And we just return 1 left to shift 31 minus 1. And that's it. And we don't have to do anything. We just go directly to this. yeah, we can just say return res, return minus res. If now we can go here, right? We can go here, and then get this entire thing. If this, else res, and then we don't need this line as well. Oopsie doozy. Wait, hold on. Do we need another? I don't think so. Interesting. Oh, shoot. Shoot. I have to change these two. I see. Okay. We can say dividend. Okay, so we say we can dividend change this. Now we go exactly the same as divisor. Change. Now it's exactly the same as previous one. Yep. I'm not sure if I'm in the mood to check the solution. Yeah, I think I will check. 29. So this is not the original solution I have submitted, but it is. But my original one is quite close to this one, despite having less elegant implementation. The basic idea, right, is to keep removing divisor and each round double the divisor until a point is reached where a doubled divisor can no longer be removed. At that point, we drop down to the original divisor and try again. I believe this is O log. I don't know. Yeah, I think this is O log. It's a dividend. Yeah, it's a dividend. It's like that. Let's submit the solution as well. Okay. Similar performance. So this is a smart idea. What does this do? This one's fine, this one's fine. How many times ds can be doubled? Well, it's actually what it does is the right shift 32 times. Okay. Why is it DD right shift? Shouldn't that be DD larger equal to DS right shift, DS left shift? C. If it can handle, then that means we can handle it that many times. Hold up. This sounds correct. So what's the difference between this, let's say, left shift C? Yeah, this one makes more sense. This should be left shift C. But I'm not submitting it, which is okay. Alright, that will be it. And so I want to go back to this one. We solved this 2 days ago. I just want to see how other people solved it. Brute force. This is basically brute force. Ah, yeah, it makes sense. Okay. Yeah, it's iterate through all the guards. So what it means is you start from each guard and you start going. And when you hit a guard, you just stop. Don't keep going, because if you go that guard, it will do it again. So it can reduce the amount of repetition. Okay. This is brute force. Interesting. Any other solution? Simulation. So everybody is I can try the brute force, but I'll probably try this some other time. Yeah, I think I will try it later, but I need to first check why the upload failed. So I'll terminate right now and go back to this after I figure out the error I have on the upload. So with that said, I will see you guys tomorrow. Adios.